This is a sales funnel map. See, the paid ad is a very small part of this. All that needs to do is get your attention. All this other stuff is what makes it work. You see this map? This is all the work that goes into one of our funnels. It's not just a video you see on Instagram of me running my mouth or of a brand running their mouth and trying to sell you a product. This is a whole, it's called a sales funnel map. This is the process. These are all the things that need to connect. Let's start at the top of the funnel. And again, this is a sales call funnel. You know, I use this funnel here at INDIRAP to drive people to call to book 30-minute video strategy sessions, for Social Club to book 30-minute social strategy sessions, to drive leads to talk to myself and my sales team. So let's start here. Like, look, this is where all the traffic is coming from. This is where all of our sources come. This is where the ad is running, right? So you have Google search ads, retargeting ads, the Instagram ad, Facebook ads, pre-roll ads. This is where I run all of our, these are all of the pieces of real estate on the internet where we put our ads. I'll compare it to this. If I'm gonna put my product in Walmart, do I want my product on one shelf or do I want them on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves with 5 totally different audiences that might increase the opportunity of them doing business with us at INDIRAP? Simple question, right? And this isn't for everyone. This is just what works for us. But anyways, you have your traffic, your paid ad, that drives you to a landing page, right? Once that person, that cold traffic comes to your landing page, guess what? They're getting pixeled. What are pixels? They're little lines of code from, there's one with Google, because Google owns YouTube, and one for Facebook, and because Facebook owns Instagram. And these things track people around the internet after they leave your page. Say they come to your page and don't fill the form out right away. Boom, they might get hit with retargeting ads chasing them around the internet to show them, hey, I'm still here. This offer's cool. You should check it out, right? A lot of people, I just had a guy come in the office. He said, I went to your website and I'm getting chased around by your ads. This is why. Because when they come to my website, they come to the INDIRAP website, they're getting pixel. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you got pixels on your website. And you got retargeting campaigns. Because most people don't buy the first time they see you. Rule of advertising, it just takes 3 exposures to your brand for somebody to spend $1. These are old facts. Okay? Back to this. So from the landing page, then they book. They come to my landing page, they see a video they like. Okay, cool, these guys know what the hell they're talking about. Let's book a call with them. They book that call, they go to a page, right? To a Calendly page where they can book. They get a thank you phone call. We get a notification that says, boom, such and such book to speak with you at X time on X day. Get ready. Say they don't opt in right away. You see all this? Email drips, reminders, texts, all that kind of stuff. Once somebody, if they don't schedule, they're getting a drip campaign because I already got their email from opting in. They're getting a drip campaign. Hey, you still want to do this call? You still want to do this? These drip campaigns are architected, these email cases are architected to follow up with people while I'm asleep, while my team's talking to new customers, while we're closing new deals. These email drips work for us in the background all the time. So once someone comes into the INDIRAP ecosystem, they're there forever unless they opt out, which we have a less than 0%, like 0.001 opt out or something like that. Because we're leading with value add content. Knowledge-based content that people can use. But anyways, the email drip follows up, and if they do book, you know, a lot of times somebody will book and they might forget, not at INDIRAP, because they're getting an email reminder and also getting a text reminder saying, hey, you got that call scheduled with INDIRAP in an hour, get ready. This is a sales call funnel. This works. This is one type of funnel. Deepu, let's see a webinar funnel. Now, webinar funnel, I hate the word webinar, it just reminds me of corny dudes on the internet, but we're gonna say it, we're gonna use it just because that's the common name for this. This is similar to the free training funnel that I just showed you. This is running ads and giving value away for someone to join a free training or a free webinar to learn something. Why does this work so well? Because it establishes you as an expert. It shows that you know exactly what you're talking about, right? You're giving away value for free. And because again, there's a lot of options out there. When you're able to show someone that A, you're a human being, B, you know what you're talking about, that you can be trusted, that you're transparent and you know your shit backwards and forwards versus everyone else who's not doing any of this or giving anything away for free, guess who they're gonna do business with first? Guess who is going to stay top of mind? You are. And that's why webinar funnels work really good. Another version of this to where you don't have to be on video doing a free training or doing a webinar is a ebook, right? You can take all that knowledge, package it up in an ebook and give it away for free. Same funnel, right? Same funnel. You got your ad, you got your landing page, you got your ebook or your webinar your download page, and then you got your drips, your tech. All this stuff is what a paid ad funnel looks like. This is what we build here at INDIRAP. This is a sales funnel map. See, the paid ad is a very small part of this. All that needs to do is get your attention. All this other stuff is what makes it work. This is your paid ad, these little dots here. You see all this other shit? This is what actually gets conversions. It's not taking a video and putting $100 behind it. These are the facts of paid ad funnels. This is why they work. And this is why any brand, every brand in every industry, if you're not using it at some level to drive leads, to drive brand awareness, to promote an upcoming event, to educate your audience, to get your brand out there. Again, this works 24/7. This is like, and again, this is part of that whole, you heard me say before, like putting wheels on a Ferrari. You got a great video, but how do you put the wheels on it? This is how you put some serious wheels on that Ferrari, right? Because you might have made a video, you might have made an ad. The people that know you might have saw that ad, but what about all the cold traffic out there, people that never heard about you, but they are out there looking for your product or service? How do you get that in front of them? How do you use the back of Facebook Ads Manager and Google Ads Manager, what's it called, Google Ads, to target these people and get your message and your product or service in front of them? Paid ads. It's the best way. You know what I'm saying? 24/7, 365, while I'm sleeping, while I'm awake, while I'm on sales calls with other people, while I'm in the airplane, while I'm on vacation with my girl. These ads work, they drive traffic, and they keep us in business here at INDIRAP, and they can do the same thing for you. If you dig what I'm talking about, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Stay tuned for more like this. We're dropping this every single week.